So I'm at beautiful Montes de Oro. San Pablo is the city below us. The coffee surrounds the micromill. And I'm going to attempt to explain an entire micromill, which is difficult because this one has a siphon systems which are difficult. Anyway, they buy coffee by the, I believe this is the Cahuela and it's licensed. They drop it here. And actually they don't buy coffee because they grow their own coffee. This is the receiving tank. The coffee cherry is being washed down with a little bit of water into the system. This mill has a problem with too much over-mature coffee. Coffee dried on the tree. They didn't have the people to pick it, so some problems here this year. You can see there's a siphon down below. It's pumping the coffee up here. And what you can see here, I don't think I can reach it. Oh, right there is a dry coffee. The dried coffee will be separated because it floats. And it won't be separated here, it'll be separated in the criba, which is down below. So you drive up here to the first level, they dump off their load, and you go down to this second level right here. So, let's go down. That's the siphon. Let's go up. The first step is that the coffee goes into the pulper. This is taking the skin off of the coffee. Pulp coffee. So that's the pulper. It's being driven into the criba. This is the criba. Okay, so you've removed the skin and you drive coffee through the criba. Coffee that's heavy will fall at the far end of the criba. Coffee that is light or is a full cherry is going to go to the end of the criba and be separated. So dense coffee, heavy coffee is good coffee. Light coffee, floating coffee is bad coffee. Over here, by the way, is the pulp. That's just the skins. The skins go directly into this truck, right there. Okay. Up here, up this ladder, is the most dense coffee. It's going through this system here. It's been pulped, it's been pumped up. It goes over to there. It goes down to there. There's a wheelbarrow right there. And they're distributing the coffee on the drying beds that are over there. This guy's the mill manager. Okay, so here we have good coffee. That's good coffee for drying. Here we have bad coffee. This is floaters, and coffee that's dried on the tree. See? It's coming out here from the second pulper. That is the second pulper to take care of the bad coffee, the floating coffee. There's the skin. There's the separation. There's the bad coffee. The two different grades of bad coffee. So as you can see, you produce very little first grade coffee from the products. And your top grade coffee has to pay for the inefficiency and the poor coffee. And over here, they're taking the coffee out to the beds. And this is where they receive the good coffee. By the way, this system is mechanical demucilaging. Okay. Segundas. Buenos días. Buenas tardes. These are the Africa drying beds. And since this is a complete micro mill, these are patios to dry. They have covered beds over there to dry, up there. Coffee patio drying. And then when drying fails, like the weather we've been having here, this is a guardiola. The guardiola pushes hot air through a drum filled with parchment coffee, and it dries it very slowly. 50 degrees centigrade, no more. And here is Francisco and Emilio. Francisco is the exporter, Emilio is the farmer. Emilio Gamboa, Montes. And here's his lots. 50 kgs, lot 22, from this date, 1/5, 507 cahuelas. The finca is Rosario, and the process is fully washed. So, ¿dónde está el pergamino? ¿Hay un saco abierto o no?
Ah, un saco abierto, pergamino.
Oh, sí.
Cualquiera.
This is a sample huller, moisture meter. And Emilio is taking out a sample. And let's go see. Oh, this is the it's a very efficient system. It's using the chaff, the skin, to burn in the furnace here, and that's what most of what heats the drum. So that's basically a coffee system. I hope I haven't missed anything or screwed anything up. That's a demucilage coffee system, forced demucilage, not traditional fermentation. And the style they're doing right now here results in a wet process style. That's it.